So, you're talking to a girl, feeling like a super suave James Bond type, right? Well, maybe not. Chances are your heart's racing, your palms are sweaty, and the whole experience feels like a fucking train wreck. Sound familiar? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to share some practical ways to shake off that nervousness and actually enjoy the moment. 1. Stay in your comfort zone. If you're planning a date, choose places where you feel comfortable. Instead of heading straight to her favorite spot, suggest one of your go-to places. Wear clothes that make you feel good and listen to your kind of music on the way. Familiar surroundings can make a hell of a difference in your confidence. Also, keep your routine. If you work out regularly or have a hobby you enjoy, don't skip it just because you have a date. Sticking to your regular schedule will keep you grounded and relaxed. 2. Drop the expectations. Before you approach a girl, take a deep breath and decide you're not going to put any pressure on yourself. Treat the conversation as practice. You don't have to impress her or get her number. With no expectations, you'll naturally be more relaxed and authentic. No fucks given. This mindset is liberating. The second you stop worrying about outcomes, your nerves naturally decrease. You become more present, which girls absolutely notice and appreciate. 3. Visual focus technique. Feeling overwhelmed? Try this mental trick. Visualize a simple object like an apple or a leaf. Notice its shape, texture, and color. Concentrating on a visual detail distracts your brain from all those nervous as shit thoughts and centers your focus. This technique is especially helpful if your mind is running at 100 miles per hour. Think of it like pressing pause on the chaotic stream of thoughts. After a minute of visualizing, your heart rate will slow and you'll feel more grounded. 4. Laugh it off. Humor is a fantastic tension breaker. Watch a funny video or read something amusing before heading out. Starting the day with laughter can put you in a lighter, more relaxed mood. If you crack the fuck up at something hilarious, you'll carry that good vibe with you. Plus, laughter is contagious. If you're having fun and smiling, she'll feel it too. People love being around those who bring good energy. 5. Practice visualization. Before a date, imagine how you want to present yourself. Think about your posture, your smile, and the tone of your voice. Picture yourself having a fun, easygoing conversation. By mentally rehearsing, you'll naturally feel more at ease. Seriously, it's not rocket science. And don't just visualize success, visualize handling awkward moments too. What if you stumble over your words? Imagine yourself laughing it off like a motherfucker instead of panicking. Visualization is about preparing your mind for anything. 6. Accept the nerves. Nervousness isn't your enemy. It's just your body's way of preparing for something important. Instead of fighting it, accept it. Feel your heartbeat, notice your breathing, and recognize that it's okay. When you stop resisting it, the anxiety often fucking fades on its own. Acknowledge that it's normal to feel this way. Everyone does. Even that ultra-confident guy you envy probably feels his heart pound sometimes. The difference? He rolls with it. 7. Build a fulfilling life. Confidence isn't just about what happens in the moment. A happy, well-rounded life makes a big difference. Pursue hobbies you enjoy, strengthen your friendships, and work on personal goals. When you feel good about your life, rejection won't feel like the end of the world. Who the fuck cares if she's not into you? Think of confidence like a reservoir. The more fulfilling activities you pour into it, the fuller it becomes. Even a small rejection won't drain it because you've got plenty left. 8. See it as a learning experience. Rather than obsessing over making her like you, shift your perspective. What can you learn from the conversation? Maybe she has a cool perspective on a topic, or maybe you'll realize ways to improve your conversational skills. Every interaction is valuable. Even if it crashes and burns like a motherfucker, you'll grow. And trust me, nobody keeps score of your failed conversations. The worst that can happen, she forgets about it in 5 minutes. Meanwhile, you gain experience. 9. Choose meaningful connections. If you're spending time with people who bore you, no wonder conversations feel draining. Seek out people who inspire and challenge you. Interesting conversations naturally flow when you're genuinely engaged. Don't waste time on shitty company. Surround yourself with people who make you feel energized. The confidence you gain from positive interactions will naturally spill over into your conversations with girls. 10. Act like your future self. Imagine the best version of yourself, maybe someone who's accomplished their biggest goals. How would that version of you act in this situation? Channel that confidence. By adopting that mindset, you'll start carrying yourself with assurance. Walk the fuck in like you own the place. And guess what? That energy is magnetic. People gravitate toward those who carry themselves like they belong. Even if you don't feel it yet, faking it till you make it is a legit strategy. Bonus tip: celebrate progress. Every conversation is a win. Even if it's short, even if you stumbled on your words, you faced your fear and took action. That's badass. Celebrate those moments. It's how you build resilience and become even more confident. And hey, confidence is built through experience. The more people you talk to, the more natural it becomes. There's no magic pill for confidence. It's about showing up, taking chances, and learning along the way. Final thoughts. You're not aiming for perfection. You're aiming for growth. Some conversations will be smooth. Others might feel like a fucking breathtaking disaster, and that's totally okay. Each experience brings you one step closer to unshakable confidence. Now get out there and own it, you motherfucker.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.